The magician shows a blank deck to the spectator. Then, with a magic gesture, the magician is able to make the faces reappear in the deck. For this trick, you will need a blank card and a regular deck. With the deck face up, place the blank card on top of the deck. The cards are then fanned out in the right hand to show a completely blank deck. The magician then squares up the deck and will be performing an Erdnase change. The blank card will be pushed forward, revealing the card underneath. Now, using the base of your palm, the second card will be dragged out in the back, clearing this top card. After this happens, the top card will be pushed back and the drag card concealed by the hand is moved on top. The magician then shows the cards, making sure to not reveal the second card. And now, all the faces have returned. The magician produces a card out of thin air. For this trick, you will be gripping the hidden card between your index and middle finger as well as your palm. You will turn your hand so the card is facing you and cannot be seen by the spectator. The front of the card will be covered by your pinky finger, and now you're all set and ready to grab. When grabbing, you'll use your thumb and index finger and then be pushing the card forward. From the front view again, you will grab and push through like so. The magician takes a ring and puts it on his finger. The ring can then be phased right through the finger. To perform this effect, you wear a fairly loose ring on your finger. In slow motion, all we are doing is pulling the ring forward, allowing it to clear the pinky finger. Doing this up to speed makes it look like pure magic. The magician takes a coin and lets the spectator thoroughly examine it. He takes the coin back and places it into his hand. He then smashes the hand with the coin onto the table, and we see that the coin completely vanishes. The main effect of this trick comes from taking the coin and lapping it. When we start this trick off, we place the coin onto the table and then take the coin to place into our hand and show it to the spectator to examine. Then again, the coin goes onto the table, but this time we'll be lapping the coin and making it seem like a pickup action. Of course, nothing is there. We place the fake coin onto our hand and smash it onto the table to show two completely empty hands. The magician splits a card into two cards that add up to its original value. For this effect, you will need 3 cards. They'll be squared up and shown as one single card. For the grip, you'll be holding the cards like this, with your middle and index finger on the bottom. You will use your index and thumb of the other hand to pull out the card in the back. This is how the motion will look. So once again, you take that card and pull it forward. Now, using the other hand, you'll be performing a snap change. So a quick recap. You'll pull out the card in the back, and then with the double, you'll perform the snap change. For the snap change, you'll have the original grip you had earlier, and be using your middle finger to slide that front card to the back, similar to a snap with your fingers. Once this is complete, you will see the front card now hides the card behind. So putting it all together, you're pulling out the card in the back and performing that snap change. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great upcoming content, and also follow me on Instagram for some behind the scenes and extras. Link to that will be in the description. Hope to see you soon in another video.